Really, the big message we want you to take home today. You can do this at home too. We thought we'd bring for you next on the show someone who's actually had dance change her own relationship to mental health. Tanya Sehgal is with us right now. Let's go over to her to understand more. Tanya, thank you for joining us bright and early here on the Breakfast Club. Tanya, we're going to ask you a little
Hello.
bit about your journey. Tell us, just first give us the basics. So, how old are you? How many years ago did you discover that dance could be therapeutic for you? Tell us a little bit more about your journey first.
Okay, so hi. Good morning. And I'm Tanya Sehgal. I am an engineer working at a big MNC right now. And I am 23, turning 24 in a month. I have been dancing ever since I was 3 years old. I have been moving all my life. But until 2016, dance was just my hobby. Dance was just something I used to turn to run away from the school stress, the drama at school. And when my parents used to make me angry, I used to just turn to dance. And in 2017, the first time I realized that, oh, my mental health is a little wavering and it's a little unstable, that's when I realized music helps me. And when my body is moving on the beats of my favorite tracks, I am the happiest. There is no conformity to my expression. There is nothing that stops me when my music is playing in the background and it's just me on the center stage dancing. In my head, I am the lead, I am the heroine of my story, and I am just dancing. And that's when I realized, wow, it can help me. And cut to COVID, the episodes of loneliness and anxiety got so worse. That's when I opened the camera and Instagram happened and Reels happened. And it just struck me that, wow, I can dance, I can express, and I do not need to be around people to do that. And that's when I realized that my dance is the best therapy for me and my all the wavering mental health issues.
So, Tanya, I just want to ask you, and of course, something like depression, mental health in its totality is a very sensitive topic. So, my point is, share as much as you like with our audiences. I just want to ask you though, tell us about that moment in particular. So, was there a moment, take us back, you said in COVID, where you were grappling with things, you were trying to make your mental health a little better, and then dance clicked? Can you tell us what that moment was like?
Okay, yes. So prior to March 2020, I was at college and I was an active participant at my dramatics club in college. I was an avid student and I was a social butterfly. And then when we were conformed to lockdown and we had to stay indoors, the first 3, 4 months were viable for me. It was fine. I like staying at home. But then after that, the social butterfly in me started dying. I had nothing to talk about. I had nothing new happening around me. And for me, my biggest escape throughout life has been Bollywood, my movies. And the industry was taking a toll, and everything around me was so negative, and it just went down the drain. And I started circling the drain myself, and the darkness took over. So in September, I joined a dance class because at that time, all the dance choreographers and instructors from Mumbai started doing online classes and sessions. And when I took 1 week of dancing, it was just Bollywood dancing to songs that were old timely songs, early 2000s. And that 1.5 hour changed everything about me. Like my day used to brighten up. I used to wake up thinking about that dance and the practice. And then I stopped thinking about all the negativity that was around me. So I was not as lonely as I used to be because I was dancing. Secondly, I was a part of a class. So around me on the Zoom call, there were 12 or 13 other people with our favorite choreographer and instructor. So in September 2020, when I started my dance page, that's when I realized that, you know, when I'm circling the drain, dance can pull me out. And trust me, it has pulled me out again this year.
So I just want
4 years
to,
later.
Tanya, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, but let me tell our audiences that the visuals we're actually playing as we talk to you are from your Instagram page. You've started an Instagram page where you talk about how much dance has affected you. And I want to ask, have you, in the last few months, seen friends, family, understand your perspective, maybe even take up dancing, encouraged by, because you're very open about the fact that this has had such a profound effect on you.
Yes, definitely. A lot of my friends, family, relatives tend to say that, when they see my reels, they find it very relatable, and they say that when we look at you, it feels so good that we also want to get up and dance. because you can see it, they are not very choreographed. I am just swaying to the music and my body is just moving on the Bollywood beats running in my head. Then I can imagine, okay, the song that I'm dancing to is a Ranbir Kapoor song, so I know what Ranbir Kapoor was doing in that song. So it is so common for us commoners to relate to something that is so easy to do. So many of my friends have told that you are so angry today, but then you go home and then you dance and you post a reel and then you calm down. I said, yeah, that's how it works. I am angry, I dance. I am happy, I dance. I am sad, I dance. So I've taken this up from one of the actors only, Akshay Kumar. He just says, whatever you're doing, you just keep moving. Find the best way to move your body. For him, it's martial arts. For me, it's dance.
Tanya, thank you for joining us this early in the morning, for sharing your passion. It's so lovely to talk to you and feel that passion in our Delhi studio too, just because of you. So thank you for joining us and telling us a little bit about that. So we hope you, our TBC family, have enjoyed this comprehensive look into the role that dance can play. When it comes to mental health, it's obviously one of a kit that you need to build for yourselves, perhaps along with other options. Exercise is always particularly important. Therapy, medication, these are all areas that experts explore. Dance could be a key part of that. That's what we wanted to talk about with you here on the show. Let's take you now